Today's video we are going to unbox this clone finger thing. I'm pretty excited, so let's go! Hello guys, konnichiwa. Welcome to Unboxing Japan with Ren. As mentioned before, today we have this clone finger DIY kit. I'm pretty excited because I have never made one before and this one is pretty easy to do as well. But, well, I mean, I'm not sure how it's gonna be and will we be able to really make a beautiful one, but we will see about that. Let's not waste our time and let's check it out. Also, we have more products to unbox coming up. We upload new videos, TikTok, and shorts weekly as well, so make sure to check it out. Your like and subscribe would be very appreciated. So, yoroshiku onegaishimasu!
Later.
Ani? By far, I think this is the hardest part for me because I cannot move at all and I have to stay like this for like 7 and 8 minutes. But hopefully it will look good. Oh. Okay.
Many unbearable hours later.
So I think this looks fine so far. Actually, the manual writes that we should leave it for around 3 to 4 hours, but we actually left it more than that. But I think it looks fine so far. So we're gonna see how it's gonna be. Let's go! Oh. Hmm? Here we are. So this is how it looks like from what I have made. I will give myself around 6 or 7 out of 10 because it doesn't look that beautiful and I can work a little bit more on this thing. And also we failed to follow the instruction a little bit. So for the powder, make sure once you mix everything, make sure to put your hand instantly so it will create more beautiful shape. For now, I will excuse myself and I will see you in the next video. So a little bit of a hint. Next video we're going to make something that related to a famous anime. So make sure to stay tuned by liking and subscribing our channel. Until then, mata ne. See you. Bye bye.